Good morning, I'm Jerry Talbert with a special report from the WGN News Service. At approximately 7:35 this morning, tragedy struck on Chicago's South Side, and at this hour, the death and injury toll from a major train collision continues to rise. The two trains involved were both Illinois Central trains from the South
Jim,
Chicago
thank you very
line.
much, and we hope you'll keep in touch and give us any further reports you might find out.
Sure will. Thank you, Jerry.
Jim Cavanaugh, flying officer of the Chicago Police Department, who was in our WGN traffic copter flying over the scene of this accident. Now, here's an account of how the accident occurred from somebody who was on the second train.
The engineer started shouting, back up, back up. Then all of a sudden, I was not even sitting in the seat. I was sitting on the iron steps that they had because it was so crowded. And then all of a sudden there was like a thunder and lightning and a crash, and doors and windows and bars started falling. The train next, I was in the next train, I could see that they were just jammed in, crushed in, and many of them were killed. And another train, and on my train, across from me, there was a man like with a bar across his neck, ready to be chopped off, shouting for help, and they were all bleeding. And I was sitting surrounded with glass and bars and doors. And I don't know, they pulled that away from the help came, and they pulled me out and had to carry me over the banister, and I got off on 27th Street.
Now, WGN Steve Schickel has this report from Mercy Hospital on the activities there.
103 persons have been treated so far at Mercy Hospital. They do not know how many of those will remain here for hospitalization. So far, 15 persons have arrived dead on arrival. These bodies will be transferred to the morgue without identification.